Another date ghosted you, another compliment ignored. Why do your efforts fail in a world of shallow gestures and endless noise? The sting of rejection, the weight of trying too hard, the silence of a connection that never sparks. These are the quiet battles of men seeking depth. Stoic women, grounded in resilience, secretly crave men who wield unshaken strength, not fleeting charm. Stoicism for women is not about tricks or manipulation. It is about forging a man whose presence radiates trust, authenticity, and magnetic power. Picture her gaze softening, her heart drawn to your stoic calm, lingering on your words. You are not alone. Meet Ralph, a merchant who faced rejection and lost his way, only to be transformed by stoic wisdom into a magnetic force. His journey unveils 7 Stoicism flirting tactics, each rooted in Stoic philosophy, meticulously crafted to spark Stoic attraction she cannot resist. Ready to become the man she never forgets? Hit like, subscribe, and let us forge your Stoic reign with Stoicism for women. Ralph believed lavish praise would win Almira's heart, but his story is one of faltering steps and hard-earned lessons. A skilled merchant, he thrived in the bustling markets, his keen eye for trade unmatched, yet in love, his heart stumbled. He overwhelmed Almira with compliments, each one desperate, her spark fading, her warmth drifting into a distant coolness that left him hollow. The chaos of life, relentless expectations, the pressure to impress, the gnawing loneliness of rejection, gripped him, fueling anxiety. Stoicism for women revealed a truth that cut through the noise. Attraction blooms from self-mastery, not desperation. Marcus Aurelius said, "Your mind is a fortress, guard it fiercely." Ralph embraced Stoic philosophy, silencing his doubts, shifting from frantic to magnetic. From an anxious merchant chasing Almira's nod, he forged an unshakable Stoic core, learning that Stoicism for women is about authenticity and not approval. These 7 Stoicism flirting tactics are your path, crafted to connect with women who value resilience over flash, empowering female connection through Stoicism for women. Let us dive into Stoicism for women, from lost to magnetic, and forge bonds that endure. Why is Stoicism for women different? Stoic women, anchored in clarity and strength, crave men who embody purpose without arrogance, authenticity without pretense. Unlike shallow flattery or fleeting charm, Stoicism for women taps into their deepest desires, a partner who radiates Stoic virtue, resilience, and warmth. Stoicism for women transforms flirting into a dance of mutual respect, where every gesture aligns with self-mastery. Science backs this. Dopamine, sparked by playful humor, fuels attraction. Oxytocin, triggered by empathetic mirroring, builds trust. And 90% of nonverbal cues, like a steady glance, drive connection. Ralph learned this through Stoicism for women, reshaping his approach to Almira. His compliments became purposeful, his presence unshaken, sparking Stoic attraction that empowered both. Stoicism for women is not about winning her heart. It is about becoming a man who inspires trust, forging Stoicism relationships that empower female connection. This is your guide to master Stoicism for women, blending strength with warmth to create lasting bonds. First, ignite with humor. Stoic women secretly love a sharp wit that lightens their world, revealing the unshaken confidence at your core. Why? Stoicism for women values authenticity, and humor signals resilience without effort, a magnet for female empowerment. Zeno said, "Wit is wisdom's spark." Ralph once rambled nervously, his words tripping in a bustling market square. Almira, her eyes sharp, teased his bargaining with a playful smirk. Stoic practice honed his timing. He grinned, "Saving coins for your coffee, troublemaker." Her laugh echoed through the stalls, her guard melting, dopamine surging, per neurological studies. Stoicism for women thrives on playful sincerity. Say, that smirk says trouble. Keeping it light, never forced. At a tavern later, Ralph quipped about her quick wit, her smile lingering. Can you picture her joy when you spark her laughter? Try today. Craft a witty line tied to her vibe, rooted in the authentic strength of Stoicism for women, and watch Stoic attraction unfold. Second, tease with verbal spark. Stoic women crave playful wit that signals self-reliance, a cornerstone of Stoicism for women. Why? Teasing showcases Stoic confidence, empowering her to engage without pressure, a key to female empowerment. Epictetus said, challenge shapes character. Ralph once nodded to Elmira's every word, fearing rejection, his heart racing in a quiet tavern. When she boasted her cooking, her eyes gleaming, he smirked. Prove it, or it's just hot air. Her eyes danced hooked, dopamine spiking, per Dr. Helen Fisher's research. Stoicism for women demands respect. Avoid mockery, keep it warm. Say, you're too smooth, I'm not sure I trust it. Tease her story's twist like, that laugh is a weapon, I'm on alert. Ralph's teasing sparked Elmira's playful retort, her warmth growing. Can you feel her spark when you ignite her charm? Try today. Ignite verbal tension with a Stoic edge, using Stoicism for women to fuel Stoic attraction and deepen Stoicism relationships. Third, mirror her soul. Stoic women secretly love subtle mirroring, an empathetic bond that builds unshaken trust. Why? Stoicism for women prizes men who connect without words, reflecting her depth with sincerity, fostering female empowerment. Seneca said, reflect to connect. Ralph once sat rigid, missing Elmira's cues in an evening bookshop, her fingers tracing a novel's spine. She leaned in, sharing a story. He mirrored, nodding softly, his posture easing. Her warmth grew, feeling seen, oxytocin flowing through microsynchronizations per science. Stoicism for women thrives on natural empathy. Lean when she leans, match her relaxed hand, never forced. Ralph echoed Elmira's posture. She opened up, her voice softening. Can you feel her trust growing when you mirror her calm? Try today. Reflect her gesture, like a hand on the table, using Stoicism for women to forge Stoicism relationships grounded in authentic connection. Fourth, speak with your eyes. Stoic women love a steady glance radiating unshaken confidence, a hallmark of Stoicism for women. Why? Eye contact conveys Stoic strength, sparking curiosity without a word, a magnet for Stoic attraction. Marcus Aurelius said, eyes reveal strength. Ralph once dodged Elmira's gaze, hiding vulnerability at a lantern-lit festival. Stoic practice steadied him. He held her gaze 3 beats, smiled, then looked away. Her curiosity flared, the brain's reward system sparking, per psychology, with 90% of nonverbal cues driving attraction. Stoicism for women values mystery. Hold her gaze briefly, smirk, then break away. Ralph's glance captivated Elmira, her eyes lingering. Can you imagine her intrigue when your eyes speak? Try today, catch her eye, hold 2 seconds, smile, shift focus, embodying Stoicism for women to amplify female empowerment. Fifth, dance with emotional rhythm. Stoic women secretly love push and pull, blending interest and independence, a Stoic art that empowers her chase. Why? Stoicism for women admires men who balance warmth with resilience, creating Stoic attraction through restraint. Epictetus said, endure to conquer. Ralph once chased Elmira's approval, pushing her away. At a market, her laugh lit up. He teased, that smile's dangerous. I might need distance. Her playful protest, oh, you're running already, pulled her closer, dopamine spiking. Per Dr. Fisher, Stoicism for women requires care. Say, your trouble making it hard to focus. Then pause. I like your vibe, but I'm not sold. Ralph's rhythm drew Elmira in, her warmth deepening. Can you feel her spark when you dance this rhythm? Try today. Show interest, then ease back, using Stoicism for women to forge Stoicism relationships rooted in self-mastery. Sixth, stir, then vanish. Stoic women crave men who leave at a peak, sparking longing through Stoic restraint. Why? Stoicism for women values men who control the moment, fueling desire with subtlety, a key to female empowerment. Seneca said, "Leave them craving." Ralph lingered too long, draining Elmira's interest at a festival dance. Stoic wisdom shifted him. He laughed with her mid-twirl, then said, "Gotta run. Let us finish this soon." Her eager nod showed intrigue, anticipation fueling dopamine per psychology. Stoicism for women thrives on precision. Say, "This is too fun. I will catch you later," and exit smoothly. Ralph's exit left Elmira curious, her thoughts lingering. Can you picture her longing when you leave her wanting? Try today. End a great chat early, promising to reconnect, using Stoicism for women to amplify Stoic attraction. Seventh, touch with care. Stoic women secretly love a gentle touch, conveying authenticity, a magnet for Stoicism for women. Why? Touch builds unshaken trust, aligning with Stoic sincerity, fostering female empowerment. Marcus Aurelius said, "Touch speaks truth." Ralph feared touch, his hands hesitant. During a laugh at a quiet stall, he grazed Elmira's arm. Her eyes softened, oxytocin surging with 83% trust accuracy per studies. Stoicism for women demands respect. Use the 5 in 15 rule. 5 light touches, arm or hand, in 15 minutes. Ralph guided Elmira with a hand on her back. She relaxed, feeling safe. Can you feel her warmth when your touch connects? Try today. Touch her arm while joking, naturally, using Stoicism for women to deepen Stoicism relationships. Master these with 7 Stoic exercises, grounding you in Stoicism for women. First, truth pause. Pause 3 seconds before replying. Ask, "Is this true to me?" Enhances mindfulness per Stoic philosophy. Ralph paused before teasing, ensuring warmth. Try it. Pause, reflect, respond. Second, calm glance. Hold eye contact 3 breaths. Ask, "Am I steady?" Builds confidence, easing anxiety. Ralph sparked connection this way. Third, intense spark. Write 1 goal. I will make her laugh. Aligns with Stoic purpose. Ralph teased with intent. Fourth, resilient wit. Recall a failure. Ask, "How did I grow?" Musonius Rufus said, "Learn from pain." Ralph reflected on rejection, fueling humor. Fifth, silent strength. End a talk, ask, "Did I stay true?" Cleanthes said, "Silence shapes power." Ralph reviewed his words. Sixth, purpose anchor. List 1 value like courage, ask, "Will I live this?" Seneca said, "Purpose is your guide." Ralph chose resilience. Seventh, growth reflection. Note 1 win, ask, "How did I embody Stoicism for women?" Ralph noted his teasing. Try these to forge your Stoic reign. Life's relentless distractions, pressure to please, fear of loss, endless noise. Test your core. Stoicism for women is your unshaken shield, empowering female connection through resilience and authenticity. Ralph faltered, chasing Elmira's validation, his heart gripped by anxiety. Stoic philosophy transformed him. Attraction flows from self-mastery, not approval. Marcus Aurelius said, "Your mind is a fortress." These Stoicism flirting tactics, humor, teasing, mirroring, eyes, push and pull, vanishing, touch, are Stoic lessons to conquer doubt. Stoic women seek men blending strength with warmth, drawn to your authentic reign. Stoicism for women eases chaos, boosts mental clarity, and forges lasting Stoicism relationships. empowering both you and her through Stoic attraction. Take the 7-day Stoic Love Challenge to master Stoicism for women. Day 1, spark a laugh. Ralph joked about Elmira's scarf, her smile lighting up. Day 2, tease playfully. Ralph challenged Elmira's story, her eyes sparkling. Day 3, mirror subtly. Ralph leaned in at a bookshop, her trust growing. Day 4, hold her gaze. Ralph locked eyes at a festival, her curiosity flaring. Day 5, try push and pull. Ralph teased, then paused, Elmira's interest soaring. Day 6, leave at a peak. Ralph exited mid-dance, Elmira eager for more. Day 7, touch with care. Ralph grazed her arm, her warmth deepening. Track daily wins. I held her gaze, felt unshaken. On day 7, share your biggest win. I mastered Stoicism flirting and felt magnetic. Post on X with hashtag #StoicLove to inspire others. What are the long-term benefits of Stoicism for women? Beyond sparking attraction, Stoicism for women builds a life of purpose, clarity, and unshaken strength. Ralph's journey didn't just win Elmira's heart, it transformed him. His anxiety faded, replaced by stoic calm. His need for approval dissolved, replaced by self-mastery. Stoicism for women fosters resilience, helping you navigate chaos with ease. It deepens Stoicism relationships, as women like Elmira are drawn to authenticity. Science shows Stoic practices reduce stress by 40%, enhancing emotional intelligence. Stoicism for women empowers you to lead with purpose, creating female empowerment through mutual respect. This is a lifelong path to Stoic attraction, forging a Stoic reign that endures. Ralph's journey embodies Stoicism for women. From an anxious merchant chasing Elmira's nod, he embraced his Stoic core, silencing doubt with resolve. His transformation took practice, reflection, courage. He said, I am building my path. Join me? Elmira felt his authentic strength, her gaze softening, drawn to his calm. Stoicism for women is not about her. It is about becoming your best self, forging Stoic attraction through self-mastery. These Stoicism flirting tactics empower female connection, blending resilience with warmth, creating Stoicism relationships that last. Stoicism for women is your path to clarity, confidence, and enduring love, a reign that captivates her soul through female empowerment. If Stoic wisdom inspires you, like this video, share it with a friend seeking growth, and subscribe for more Stoicism for women insights. Drop your favorite tactic below with Stoic love.